Hello guys, so this is my official entry to the small scale group build, and I am blown away by this little thing. So this model actually came from Ukraine, and the gentleman that I bought it from had ordered it right from Ukraine, and it's a little model company there. And so what they did is they sent it in this box, but is the actual box to it. Because it's because it's shipping overseas, they don't want the box to get ruined, so they actually leave it undone, and then you just pull it out like this. So this is a staff car mod 1938 Cabrio, the Olympia, which is funny because I actually live in Olympia, and it is a 1/72nd scale, so it's pretty tiny. Probably one of the smallest ones I've ever, this will definitely be the smallest model I've ever built. It's, my God, look at the size of this little thing. But the detail on it is crazy. Look at for such a small model, I love this detail. It's really well done. And then it looks like it's got a soft top on it. So there's that little guy. And look at all the suspension, the bumpers, all the wheels. I mean, this little thing is, man, I'm gonna be wearing some magnifying glasses to see this little sucker. I can tell you that right now. Here is the body. This little tiny thing. Jeez, it's like building a Hot Wheels or something, or a Matchbox. I don't know. This is definitely like I said, definitely the smallest one I've ever built, and should be a fun little build. This is, I tell you what, it's going to be easy to paint. Here's the directions. There really aren't any, I don't believe there are any decals. Actually, it shows decals, but I haven't seen any in the box yet. So hopefully I didn't lose them previously. So yeah, it has a few decals to it. And so that's it. That is my official entry to the small scale group build. And is this small? Wow. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will have another update video soon. Appreciate you watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.